So, the work we have is of a high resolution nature, for which I will need a permit. Otherwise, any work that can be completed in one shift can be a routine job or a non-routine job. As per WCC, we will not have a permanent requirement for this work. There is no impact on operations. Routine jobs are done in any shift, unit, area, or equipment. We will not have a permanent requirement for routine jobs. They are being done in one shift, in one unit, in one area, on multiple equipment or single equipment. So for all the routine jobs of operations, we will not require a permit. What is the BTW interface with the ad hoc group of companies and external authorities? For this, let's first discuss what an interface is. Any work in such an area that is called the boundaries of two parties, into the sharing of common boundaries of two bodies, common space of two bodies, or common face of two bodies. Any work that involves two parties, two teams going in parallel. If our work is in two units, we will cover it in the interface. If our work is near another plant after the planned one, we will cover it in the interface. The interface can cover the procedure, but it does not have a ceremony. The interface procedure of PTW is about how to manage such conditions. All the points listed below, we are going to discuss 4 points. These points will be mandatory, but not limited to them. Additional controls can also be implemented. So the first point is that in permit work, we need to clearly identify 100% of the interface area with other parties involved to determine how much our work will affect their area. If we need to work in parallel, how will our work affect theirs? For example, work in a fenced area. If any work needs to be done inside a plant's fenced area or within 5 meters of the pipeline, any work within 5 meters of your underground pipeline will be covered and controlled under the PTW interface. Work requiring an easement certificate. Any work where we will face an interface will require an easement certificate, which should be live and attached with the permit. We will discuss the easement certificate in detail in our next lesson. Whenever we need to proceed with work according to the PTW interface, an authorized person for the easement certificate is required. Authorized person for easement certificate. Along with the easement certificate, a competent authorized person will be appointed who will play an important role between both parties